Hey everybody. Well, this is my iPhone 6S Plus. It's cracked and I needed to get a new phone, so I got the LG G6 yesterday. So, here it is. Now, believe it or not, this phone is $360 now. That's not bad. That's not bad because I almost bought two because I almost bought the LG G was it G7, the Q thin, whatever, however you say it, for $6 because I would have gotten this free if I'd have bought the LG G7, the newer model. But nah, so I pay $15 a month on this. But since it's 360, I might have this phone paid off real quickly. So let's look at this. I got the platinum one. It was cool. I wanted to get this platinum one. Let me get it out. Oops. Here it is. I like this color. I like this color because like it's ice platinum, so I got this one. So we got the 13 megapixel wide lens and regular lens, fingerprint, and my the screensaver. I mean the screen protector that came with the phone is still on here, so I'm gonna leave it on there till it starts coming off and stuff, and then I'll buy one. You can put 32, 64, and 128 in this phone stuff. So hold on, put it onto the side, and then pull that one to the side, put it in, and show you what's in this box. Now the charger thing that was here is plugged in to the USB, so because we use this charger, this is a fast charger. It takes about maybe an hour. It takes an hour or something to charge this phone, so yeah. Put it back in there. There's some weird stickers. Here is your like owner's manuals and stuff first. Now when you get this wasn't a plastic in a little paper thing, but this is what you use to push to the side to get the SIM card and the memory in and out of this phone. Here's your book, T-Mobile book of manual, start, and your terms and conditions book to put all this back together. Put it all back in here. Boom. Let me see. Did I put this in right? And now let's cut it on. So I'm gonna get this iPhone fixed. It's gonna cost like $198 to $200 because the glass got to be fixed and I got to put the battery in it before November. While it's $29. This is still a good phone. All my music and stuff is on this phone. So there you go. Because sometimes a phone, the fingerprint doesn't work sometimes. You got your camera. I got my camera set to wide. So you do it like that. That's regular. Boom, that's wide. Let's see. I made my folders. This is my entertainment folder with all the apps that I use and stuff. Let's see what else we got. We got T-Mobile, apps with TV and Wi-Fi hotspot and stuff like that. We got essentials. Got the music, got the right on the screen. Auto recorder HD. Let's see what else we got. Manage. What is this? LG Manage Switch. Oh yeah, files and Smart stuff like that. Boom. Let's see what else is on here. I put my Google Assistant right here because it was right there, but I moved it. Then you got the Google apps and stuff. I like this phone. Like I said, this is a 300. Well, it used to be like 500. No, first it was started at 6, then it dropped to 5. Now it is at ding 360. That's why they're trying to sell this off for free and stuff. So what did this fool say? Total disgrace that Turkey will not release U.S. pastor from prison. Ah, shut up. I'm going to get back at him. So, oops, nope, I put the camera back on. So that's it, y'all. Turn this camera off. So that's it, the unboxing of this. My phone, because I got this in I got this in 2015. It is 2017. I have not bought a phone since yesterday, and that's this phone. So, yep, that's it. Let's see, somebody like my tweet. Oh, don't chump. So that's it.